Hello guys, you're welcome to 4NA Media. And on this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to boost streams on Audiomack. Understand, this step I'm going to teach you today is the best way to boost your stream on Audiomack. No fake stream, they are all safe and legit. Understand? So we call it sponsored ad. Understand? So, to avoid block on Audiomack, this is the best way, understand. And the one thing about this strategy I'm going to teach you today is that the right people that will stream your song is the exact people that you need to stream your song, understand. So like if you're a gospel artist and you want people that are always listening to gospel music to stream your song, understand, they are the people that the ad will directly direct your song to. Understand, if you do Afrobeat and your song is like a kind of whiskey the video kind of song, understand, the ad will direct people that stream that kind of song to you so that they'll stream your own song as well. Like for instance, let me give you an example. Have you ever press play to play a song before and another song started playing on Audiomack? If yes, this is what I want to teach you. It's called sponsored ad on Audiomack. This is the best way to boost your streams. Understand? It's very legit and safe. So after running this ad, once another person from another place tries to play, like for instance, the person like try to play this racy song. Once the person press play, your own song will start playing. Understand? So for us to start, firstly, you need to go to feature.fm. Understand? Feature.fm. When you get to feature.fm, if you don't have account with them, the right thing to do is to sign up. Understand? You sign up. But if you have account with them, then you log in. So if you sign up, you follow the step. It's very easy. I made a video on that, on how to sign up. Understand? Check my previous video on how to run sponsored ad on Audiomack. You see how to sign up here. Understand? But you can actually do it. It's very easy. So right now I'm going to log in. Understand? Once I click on log in, it will log into my account because I already have account with them. So it's loading. Just bear with me, it's loading. Understand? So the network is a bit bad, but we have no issue with that. So here is it. So I just did it twice and it just loaded. Okay. Wow, wow, wow. Let's go there. Yeah. Okay. So here is my dashboard. Here's my dashboard on this platform. So like after creating your account, this is the way your dashboard will look like. Understand? So then we go to ad campaign. Understand? Ad campaign is where we are going to run what we are going to do right now. So I've already created ad. The name of this ad is Jesus. So, but like right now, I want us to create a fresh ad. Understand? So that you see how it works. Then you come to that cross, click on it. Then you will see other platforms like this and co. But right now, what I want to teach you guys is how to boost your streams on Audiomack. Understand? So your song will be played on Audiomack to an audience of your choice. Get guaranteed a play and keep your song in the rotation. Your song is unskippable for first 30 seconds. Understand? So what you need right now is to make sure that your song is very sweet. Understand that your song is dope. Understand? So if your song is good, if someone play your song for 30 seconds, like the person will be nodding head, the person won't even know when the song will play to the end. Understand? So that's just it. Yeah, and most of all those fake streams that you guys buy, like most of the machine don't even stream it like up to 30 seconds. That's why sometimes if you buy fake streams, it will start dropping. Understand? That's why it drops. But this particular one, there's no dropping. They are way. And one thing about it is that they can, after playing your song, they can actually click the link and follow you as well. You can actually direct them to your social media to follow you, or your website, anywhere. Understand? So let's continue. No much talk. You will see how it works. Okay. Then you select Audiomack, then put the name of the campaign. My previous campaign was Jesus. So this time around, let me do on unequal. Don't mind the names I choose, understand? Because like the way I do it is that, like, I actually use the name of the song that I want to run the campaign on, understand? So but you can actually choose any kind of name that you want, understand? So let's create. Don't mind my network. It's a bit slow, but I know slowly we'll get to our destination. So all you got to do is just wait and have patience, understand? So I'm really happy that you stayed till this stage. So let's do it right now. So here is here is the name of the campaign, and here is where you paste URL of the song, or you search for the song on Audiomack. So right now I want to search for the song on Audiomack. My name is Maximilian, that's my stage name. So I'm going to search for my song that is on Echo. That's what I want to use right now. Understand? So you can actually search your own song your own way, but I'm searching for my own song. You understand? So I'm going Maximilian on on Ekpo. Here, you see, here's the song. Then I wow, what's happened? I've already seen the song on Ekpo. Yeah, yeah. So I don't choose the song like this right now. So you can actually change the song. If you feel like you want to change the song, you can click on change song and change the song. But if you're cool with the song, then there's no problem. You understand? So then you move to the next step. You click on next here. As you can see, next here. You click on it. So this is where you now reach out to the right audience. Understand? See right now, reach the right audience. Define your target audience, so your song will be played to the most relevant fans. Understand? Here is where you select the kind of audience you need. Understand? So me, I'm a gospel artist, so I'm going to select gospel. Understand? And my music is rap, gospel rap. So I'm going to select hip hop rap. You understand? So this is gospel rap, and I know any person that really love hip hop will love my music too. So here is similar artists. So people that plays my song can actually listen to, like, understand, as they are playing other people's song, it will push them to this particular one, and they will say, ah, Masmina released a new song. Yeah, that's how it works. So you can actually select the related artists that you feel like people like. Let me, for instance, if you feel like people that play the video song can actually like your song, and you type the video. You feel like, okay, people that plays whiskey song can actually like your song, and you press whiskey. So right now I'm a gospel artist, and the kind of people that I feel like they love my song is people that plays Frank Edward, Joe Praise, Messi Chinwo, and co. Understand? So I'm going to select Frank Edward. So Frank Edward, Messi, Chinwo, Joe Praise. Yes, Joe Praise. Okay. Then if the song is explicit, then you can click here. But if it's not, just skip, leave it. This here is where you actually like direct them where to go after playing the song. If you want them to go to your song to visit the album or the song after playing for 30 seconds, understand? Then they will go there and stream. But if you have another option for them, like you have a website, then you enter the name, what you want them to do for you. Like if you want them to follow you, or follow you on social media, understand, you click on follow, then come and place you the URL to your account. If you want to hear your EP, you can actually select hear my EP or hear our EP, then put the URL to the EP. Understand? So all these things, they are okay for you. You can actually go hear my single, go. There are more. Understand? Visit my page and go. So buy my ticket and other ones. Understand? So you select what you want them to do. But for me, what I usually do is that I go to visit my song, because what I want them to play my songs, visit my song. So they can actually go there, visit and stream and follow you. Understand? So this is legit and pure. Understand? So let's move to the next step. Then here is where you spend the, like, you suggest the amount of streams you need. So the amount of this amount of stream you need is, the higher the amount of streams you need, the higher the money that you're spending. Remember, this what we're doing is that we are boosting streams. Like, you don't boost streams free. Even if you buy and you don't buy it free, you pay for it. You know that there's no way they do it free. If you want to free way to boost your stream, then that means you are going to Audiomack to create a playlist, understand? And you know, playlist will not grow more faster than this thing that you're doing right now, because here you can actually, if you need like 5,000 streams daily, you get that 5,000 streams daily. Yeah. If you need 10,000 streams daily, you get 10,000 streams daily. If you need 100,000 streams daily, you get 100,000 streams daily, depending on your budget. Understand? So here is budget. Understand? So if you say, okay, I want to spend $10, then $10 will give you 500 streams. So if you say, oh, I want to spend $20, $20 will give you 1,000 streams. Understand? So if you want to spend $2,000, $2,000 will give you 200, will give you 100,000 streams. So here is daily limit. Understand? Daily limit is like the budget you want to spend from this your $2,000 every day. Understand? Like, if I have $2,000 here and I want to spend like $20 every day, then that means every day I'll be getting 1,000 streams every day from this my $2,000. So they will be removing $20 from my account every day. Understand me? Yes, I know you understand. Thank you. So if you want to spend $10 every day, that means you're getting 500 streams every day. Understand? So that's how it works. So here is start on. You suggest any day you want it to start. Like, if you want it to start today, then this is today's date. Understand? If you want it to start next week, you know the date you want it to start. Understand? So thank you guys. I know you're cool at this stage right now. So, and I really want to appreciate you for following me to this stage. So we are going to the next stage right now. So you click on submit, submit and check. Once you click on submit and check, it will load. Just we got to wait for it to load. Yeah. Here is where you put in your card. If you have a MasterCard, understand, you have a MasterCard, you put your card number here. Here is my name. You can actually put your own name, understand? So put your name, put your MasterCard or Visa card, anyone you have, you put the expiring date, the CVV code, then you put your postal code. If you have a coupon, understand, you can actually add your coupon. Understand? Coupon will make your this thing your price reduce a little bit. Understand? But if you don't have coupon, you leave it. But this campaign will take up to 24 hours to be approved. Understand? So normally, even on Instagram, like if you run Instagram ad, you don't just run it and it will approve immediately. Most of the times it take like 10 to 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 5 hours to come to be approved. But this particular one we are doing will take 24 hours to be approved. Understand? So once after 24 hours, it will click, boom, Understand? Boom. So what we are looking up to is 100,000 streams, 100,000 estimate plays, and our campaign budget is $2,000. Understand? So you know the amount of streams you want. If you said, okay, what I want is 500 streams, oh, then you go for $10. Yeah, that's cool for you. Everybody know the amount they want. So once you put in your card and your card details and everything you need to do right here, then what you're going to do is that you're going to click on place order. Understand? Once you click on place order, it will click immediately, and that's all. Understand? After 24 hours, you check it, you check your stream will start increasing every day until your money expires. Understand? This is legit and safe. Understand? Audiomack cannot block you for taking this step. Audiomack will not block you for taking this step. This is legit and pure. This is how to gain legit streams. This is how to boost legit streams on Audiomack. So guys, thank you for staying with me till the end. Please kindly subscribe on this channel. Hit the notification button to get our videos on our latest videos, and don't forget to like and comment on this video. Understand? So on next video I will teach you guys how to track your this thing, how to track your order. Understand? How your money is being spent. Understand? I will teach you guys. So that's the main reason why you need to subscribe to this channel. Understand? So that you won't miss the video. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Thank you for being with me today. Like, I really appreciate as well. I appreciate. Thank you. God bless you.